Hello, it's Jason Maneely with Team Maneely here once again. In this current segment, we are talking about sprucing up your yard, getting the house ready for sale. So we're going to go over some tools here to make sure it's ready, and then we're going to go out and check out the flower department here at your favorite Ace Hardware in Prescott Valley. All right, before you start any project, make sure you always got your safety gear going on. So I got the special helmet here. It's got the hearing protection. It's also got a face mask to keep all the debris out. And then my favorite, the Stihl chaps. They're ready to go. We're looking good here. So what we're gonna feature here today, I gotta pull these things off so I can actually hear. What we're doing here today is we're gonna feature one of the cool products that Echo has. And this is new to the Prescott Valley Ace. And it is a weed trimmer that's got multiple attachments to it. So you have basically the engine up top, and let me tell you, Echo is my favorite of the tools. I've got my own personal weed trimmer, and all I really want for my tools is that they work. I can go out into the garage after sitting all winter long, do 2 pulls, and it starts up, and that is Echo. So this one's kind of cool though, because it's got different attachments that you can put on it. So instead of having to buy a hedge trimmer and a pole chainsaw and a weed eater, you can attach them all to this, and they're really simple. All right, so we know spring can be a crazy time, all the pollen in the air, all the weeds are growing, and you want to put your house on the market. So you need to make sure that your yard is looking great, because that is the first thing people are going to see when they come to your house. So if you're not having the tools you need, this Echo trimmer will function in multiple different ways, right? So you got the main power here, and then you can add the attachments to it. This one here is the weed eater, and all you got to do is you put it in, right? You lock it up, and then you got your whole unit here, right? And this works fantastic. And there's multiple different attachments that go to it, right? So you can pull this one off. When you're done with the weed eating, you can go grab this guy, right? You put it on. And guess what? You're ready to go to do your hedges now. And this one's a nice one because you can get way far out for those big hedges, or nice and high up for those big tall hedges as well. And this is the second of the 3, and then you also have a pole saw as well. So if you're wanting to cut out some limbs from your trees that are overgrown from all winter long, you can do the same thing. So this is the Echo weed trimmer with multiple attachments on it. Now, if you don't want all those different attachments and you just want a weed eater, that's great. In my opinion, you need 2 things for the yard. You need your weed eater and you need your blower. And this is the Echo blower, and this one will do 210 miles an hour and of airspeed. And so this will blow off just about anything you need. So you're blowing off your grass, your turf, your rocks, your driveway, whatever you need, this is the one you want. Not only does Ace have Echo, they also have great Stihl products too. And if you're looking to be a little more environmentally friendly, they have the Stihl has the battery products here. So this is their mini chainsaw, and the nice thing about this is no gas, no oil, and it's quiet. I mean, really, how am I doing this here? Oh. See? Quiet, not bad at all. And it's not going to cut your tree down, but it's going to trim up the little branches and things like that. If you need more, than just your chainsaw, you can get the blower for this. And this is battery powered, and it works off the same batteries. So they are interchangeable. All you do is you pop out the battery for that one, drop it in for this one, and it works just the same. and it's nice and quiet as well. So you can do this early in the morning and not wake up your neighbors.